Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection problem with your Sony WI-XB400 earbuds. Okay, so as you can see, in my case that's the notification that they cannot communicate with my phone, and I'm going to show you my way to fix this problem. So first of all, just go back from the spare new device list. Simply restart the Bluetooth settings on your phone. So turn them off, and after a few seconds we are gonna turn them on. But right now, just be sure that your device is turned off. As you can see in my case, when I click on the power button, as you can see, this indicator is not activated, so it means that they are turned off. That's very important. Next, power on Bluetooth on your phone. Click and hold the icon to open the Bluetooth settings, and right now you have to click and hold this power button to move these earbuds to the pairing mode manually. So click and hold, take a look on this small indicator. When it starts blinking white, it means that they are in the pairing mode. I mean blue, not white. As you can see right now it's blinking quickly, so we can release that button, and then on our phone click to pair new device. Now just wait until they pop on the list, and here we have our earbuds. So click on them once, try to hit the pairing button, and as you can see right now it works. So as you can see, that's the method that is working for me. You have to simply restart Bluetooth settings on your phone, then power off your device, and then move them to the pairing mode manually. And that's how you can fix one of the connection problem of this WI-XB400 earbuds. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.